I'm going to show you one of my games, which is making this sprite fly. It has a speech. I'm floating on a cloud. You can move the sprite up and down so that it can collect the hearts easier. Otherwise, there's going to be less points. Every time you touch a heart, there's going to be a different score. The score is going to be higher. Let's see the code. With the heart, I made it move quicker. You can see the background. It's in the sky. It looks like that Ruby, which is this girl, and her cloud is flying, or actually flying. But that is not true. It's actually the background that's moving on a blue backdrop. So I made the clouds move and the buildings. They also had to be the next costume so that they look like different buildings, not just the same ones over and over again. With the heart, I made it quicker. As you can see on the screen, that the hearts are moving quite quicker. There's also random position, which means it can go all the way up there, or all the way down here, or just somewhere over here, or anywhere, because it's random. He did that on motion. You also had to remember to do it forever, otherwise it would only do it once, and you wouldn't want that. I also made it repeat 32 times. With Ruby, I made her to say a speech at the very start. I'm floating on a cloud for 2 seconds. I also added a score, so when the green flag is clicked, the score would automatically and immediately change to 0. When every time she touches the heart, then it will make a pop noise. I changed her costume by going into costumes, and I can draw with it, or move, or something like that. You can move with it, like that. You can draw with it, like that. You can erase it, like that. You can even text, fill, change, you can draw shapes, or draw a line. You can zoom really, really close when you're drawing it, or zoom out. To make it back to normal again, you click the equal sign, like that. The pop sound is here. Let's stop that for a second. This is how it goes. You make it faster, slower. That's normal. You make it louder, softer. You can make it silent, so not make a noise at all. Fade in, fade out, reverse, or make it sound like a robot. Also, when you're doing when down arrow and up arrow, you have to make sure that you do the same thing with the cloud. Otherwise, the girl would move on her own. So let's destroy these and see what happens. I'm clicking the up arrow and down. But she's not moving on her own, isn't she? She's actually sitting on a cloud and the cloud is flying. So you have to make sure that they both have the up and down. Let's play the game again. Make it change costume like that. Go up and down. Collect. My aim is to collect as many hearts as I can. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.